Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to Quick Crafts. Today we're going to show you how to make a really nice, simple, easy, colourful background. I've got my script stamp here, and first of all I'm going to ink up in a few different colours. If you haven't got these colours, don't worry about it, you can use any colours you have. We've got Warm Breeze, we've got Golden Meadow, and we've got Glamorous. So the reason I've picked these is they're quite nice sort of contrasting colours. Okay, I'm going to start with Glamorous. So I'm going to ink up, and then we're going to move on to the Warm Breeze. And then we've got Golden Meadow. So I've got my multifarious card here, but first I'm going to stamp off. And now I'm going to stamp and then again down at the bottom. Okay, so that makes a really nice background in itself, but we're going to do something a little bit extra. I've got my gel press here, and I've got some oxide. So I've got cracked pistachio, I've got picked raspberry, and I've got mustard seed. Again, you don't have to use these particular colours. You can just use which colours you have at home. So I'm just popping just a little bit of colour down. Onto the gel press. And this time I'm not going to use water. I'm going to actually use the mica infused spray. These are our mysticals. Make sure you give it a good shake so that the mica doesn't stay at the bottom. So good shake, and then we're just going to spritz a little bit of this over the top, and you get that lovely infused mica. You can just see that coming through, which looks fabulous. And now I've got my multifarious card. I'm going to pop this down. Let's give that a smooth over. And let's have a look at what we've got. So you can see there, how fabulous does that look? It's a nice, really quick, easy background, great for scrapbooking. And you just stamp over the top of that as soon as it's dry. Okay guys, well that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching the demonstration to create a background. If you've got any comments, please let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see me do. Okay, thanks very much guys. Bye for now.